Have your online photos been stolen and then illegally posted on Instagram or Facebook? Do you want to stop these thieves from taking your online photos and then making money off them for themselves? If so, well, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if that's what you feel like, and come with me into the heart of the matter. Hi everybody, I'm Corzine. I'm a lawyer practicing for the past 20 years on a mission to make the law work for you. I want to protect you from all those online pirates taking your photos, posting them to Instagram, and then making money off them. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a custom watermark for your online photos for free. It doesn't matter whether or not you have a Mac or an iPhone. I'm going to give you some free applications that will help you protect your photos from these online pirates. Stay to the end of the video and I'm going to give you a gift. Yeah, it's a gift that you can use to stop these online pirates from stealing your videos. All right, let's get to it. So let's get started with watermarking for your Mac. It could be a MacBook Pro, it could be an iMac, whatever it is. Go into your web browser and go into the search box and type in www.canva.com, C-A-N-V-A.com. All right, when you get to this screen, enter in your email and your chosen password, identify the type of user that you are. You can skip the team invite, then select social graphic, click on Instagram post. After clicking through the tips page, you arrive at an empty canvas. Next step is to pick a template that you like. I like the sunflower one. If you click on that, that appears on your empty canvas. Next, click on the background image. Add your own photo. Then I'm going to edit the descriptive text here. There, that looks good. All right, now let's add the watermark. Zoom in a little bit by clicking on the plus sign in the lower right portion of the screen. Click the text tab, and then you select your text style. Then you just move the text box to the lower right part of the canvas. Then you select the color of the watermark you want. I think white looks best with my photos, especially the ones that have dark portions of them. And then you type in open paren C close paren. In Canva, they don't have a circle C symbol, so you just have to use the parentheses. Then you add the year in which the photos were taken, and then of course, you're the author of the photos, so you add your name. Then you select the gradient tool and adjust that so that you can kind of hide your watermark. It's still visible, but at least it doesn't interfere with the whole vision of your photo. And there you have it, a beautiful image with an indelible watermark. Then you just download it by hitting the download button at the upper portion of the page, and then you'll have the photo there for you on your desktop or whatever file you choose to have it on. Then what I do is I airdrop that to my iPhone, and that way I can easily publish the photograph to Instagram and be protected with that watermark. Have you ever had your online photos stolen, posted to Instagram, and had someone else make money off them without your permission? I know that I have, and if you have, let's stop these thieves. Let's use watermarks. If you're on board, write watermark in the comment section below. So let's move on to discuss how to watermark on your iPhone. Well, the best app that I found by far, and it's totally free, is Marksta Lite. It's really easy to use. You just send your photograph into the app, and then you do your watermark, and then you publish it. You're in, you're out, and you're able to post to Instagram very quickly. Here's how you watermark on Marksta Lite. First, load up the app, press on the camera icon in the upper left corner. It gives you the option of taking a photo or browsing from your photo library. I usually choose the browse your albums, and then I pick the photo I want. Apparently it's from a myriad of photographs of myself. Who has that many photos of themselves? Then you press on the tap here message. You draft your watermark just like we did in the previous step. Then you just size your watermark so that it looks appropriate. You can change the color of the watermark by pressing the little palette icon in the bottom left. I just like white because we're gonna grade that anyway. The grade bar is the lower middle. Just drag to get the kind of transparency that you want. Then you're basically done. All you have to do is press send to in the bottom right-hand corner. I usually send my photographs to the camera roll and then publish from the camera roll to Instagram. However, there is a function on Marksta Lite that allows you to publish directly to Instagram, Facebook, or whatever social media platform you want to use. And then when I publish the photograph on Instagram or Facebook, it's watermarked. I don't have the immediate fear that someone's going to steal it and publish it on some travel blog website or whatever. All right, now we've discussed how to add a custom watermark using your Mac or your iPhone. But I know you really want to make sure that those photographs, even with the watermarks, aren't stolen. That's why I'm providing you with a free checklist on how to stop people from stealing your photographs. This entirely free checklist has a number of steps that you can go through to make sure that those photographs you've worked so hard on are not stolen, used without your permission. Perhaps people are making money on them without your permission, and then you're left without a remedy. So yes, download that free checklist. The link is in the description section below, and you can go through those steps. If you have any questions about them, please DM me. I'm happy to answer any questions about this checklist. You know, today we talked about the Canva app and we talked about the Marks Delight app. But do you use any other apps to do watermarking of your photos? If so, please let me know. Put the name of the app in the comments section below. I would love to broadcast the names of other apps, maybe even better apps, to other viewers of Heart of the Matter so they get the benefit of your knowledge. Let's work together to be able to fight people from stealing our online photos and using them for their own purposes. And while you're in the comment section, why don't you give me a like, hit subscribe, and perhaps hit that bell, and you'll be notified every Wednesday when a new Heart of the Matter video comes out. I would love for you to join our community of people that want to fight online pirates from stealing our photos. And one more thing, before you leave, be sure and check out the Heart of the Matter Facebook group. In this group, I'm going to give you additional legal advice on the topics that we discuss in the YouTube videos. I'll also give you free legal document templates that you can use to protect your rights. All right, so now you know about watermarking your photos, but I know you. I think you want to take the next step. So why don't you watch my video on copyright on Instagram? I think you'll like it. All right, see you next time.